Okay, so Happy New Year, welcome to the first YouTube tutorial of 2017. I hope everybody is well on with the logistics assignment and starting to consider how they're going to submit their SolidWorks project. Now, submission of the SolidWorks project is not through Turnitin, it's through the Canvas interface. There's going to be some tutorials this week and next week which are going to take you through this, and then also you've got 2 more hours in HE10 with me where I can answer any questions and we can maybe have a look at addressing some of the finer points. Now next week I'm not going to be bringing verniers to the session because it's going to be mainly focused around submission queries and creating assemblies and having a look at these 2D drawings. So 2D drawings is what I'm going to have a look at today. Now the last tutorial that I put on, I used somebody's parts from last year and I showed you coincident relations, I showed you parallel relations, I showed tangent relations, and made sure that you insert the pin to be your first component of the assembly. Now it is something I need to mention that you are required to do your own research as well. Even though it is SolidWorks, it's still an assignment and you need to have a look at other sources on how you can turn that merit into a distinction, as it were. So what I want to do first of all is we've used part, we've used assembly, I'm going to open a drawing now. So double click drawing. Now most parts for your remote control car will fit on A4. Can use A3, I'm going to use A4 today. Press OK. A4, it gives you this. This is a standard. Okay. So this is a standard template. We have some information here: drawn by, checked by, approved by, manufacturing, quality assurance, signature date, this kind of stuff. Title, drawing number. Now, drawing number is the title. If I was to file, save as. Assembly 1, it's going to change to assembly 1. First of all, let's insert. We want to put in model view. We want to browse for components, and I'm just going to use some out of the folder which says your name. So I'm going to double click that and let's have final assembly 1. So because of the size of this, it will have downscaled it. It's 5:1. If I use a custom scale and I go 1:2, if I just click, 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 and then click, tap escape now to get rid of that final drawing. This one I can drag into whichever place I want. If I click that and click this box, I can make it colourful. If I click that, I can make it plain colourful. If I make it like that, it's going to be the same. You can see through it there. I'm just going to do that because I think that the one that you view like that looks nice in colour. Now when you have a look at an assembly like this, it's pretty much just a 2D drawing of the assembly. This is one of the reasons that I ask for everything in different colours, because it's really easy there to differentiate between different parts. And then for an overall assembly, that's pretty much what you want. No real annotations on there. You've got a sheet scale on there which should be 2:1. Should that be 2:1? Let me have a look. So I click that, use sheet scale, that'll update. There we go. Because I've used a sheet scale, I want that to be use parent scale, and that is the scale of that. So press OK. To put on an annotation, I use a note. To put on an annotation, I use a note. In there, drawn by. Now don't worry too much if it goes out of the box. Escape, and then your name will come up a lot of other times, and you can click that in there, and then you can just drag them wherever you want them, like so. Finish, plastic, whatever it is, you have a look at this, you fill this in as you see fit. File, save as, save it into your folder, your name, so this would be drawing AS1, save. Okay, I'm going to create a new drawing now, A4 again, okay, and I'm just going to browse straight away, and we'll have a look at the back plate. Double click that, and it's going to ask me how I want to have a look at it. Escape, Control Z, because I've done that wrong. I should have put model view, browse for the back plate, open, start it down there, carry it on up there, there, and then there. Escape. So that one, click it, make it colourful. These ones, if we put annotation on, we can smart dimension from there to there. Now we can't change that, this is just simply what size the different parts are that you're going to be selecting. If I want to say for a distance from there to there, like that. If I want a distance from there to there, I can put that on like that. Whole line distance. If I wanted a thickness, like that, and you get the idea. Again, fill these in, file, save as, plate, drawing, save, done. And then you're going to submit these with your other parts in the zip folder. You're going to save your other parts in the zip folder, and then you're going to submit them through Canvas, which there will be a tutorial for next week.